Hey guys, this is On Your Own Practice for 1.07 Transformations 2. We're on number 1. How many sides does a regular polygon have if its angle of rotation is 24 degrees? So regular polygon means the sides are all the same length. So a rotation of 24 degrees, well, we kind of have to work backwards because to find the degree of rotation, we would take the number of sides and divide that into the total degrees in a circle, which is 360. So we can work backwards and instead divide 360 by 24 to see how many sides there would be. So 360 divided by 24 is 15. Let's check our answer. And they give you the formula here. Alright, does this figure appear to have rotational symmetry? Well, this looks like an isosceles triangle where only these two sides are equal, not this one. So that would not have rotational symmetry. So let's try that. Alright, this one says it's an equilateral triangle. All sides are equal. So what is the figure's angle of rotation? So once again, when we have a figure that sides are all equal, we can find the angle of rotation by taking total degrees in a circle, 360, and dividing by the number of sides, which is 3. And that would give us 120. Alright, a regular polygon with 40 sides is rotated about its center. Through which angles of rotation will the polygon map onto itself? So first we have to find the angle of rotation. So we take the total number of degrees in a circle, 360. We divide that by the number of sides. Regular polygons means they're all equal, so we can do this. Divide by 40, and that gives us 9. So every 9 degrees, this polygon is going to map onto itself. So we just have to check the ones that are every 9 degrees or multiples of 9. Like 18 is 9 times 2. 20 is not a multiple of 9. 40 is not a multiple of 9. 54 is 9 times 6. 80 is not a multiple of 9. 90 is 9 times 10. So let's see if we're correct. And we are. And gives our explanation. Let's try the next one. Alright, this figure is a square. What is the figure's angle of rotation? Squares have all equal sides, so that means we can take the total degrees in a circle, 360, and divide by the number of sides, which is 4, and that would give us 90. Alright, suppose a polygon has 72 sides. If the polygon is regular, what is the angle of rotation? So regular means all the sides are the same, which means we can take total degrees in a circle, which is 360, and divide by the number of sides, which is 72, and that gives us 5. Let's check that. Alright, a regular decagon is rotated about its center. Through which angles of rotation will the decagon map onto itself? So a decagon has 10 sides. So we take 360 and divide it by 10, and that is every 36 degrees. So 36 is one of them. 10 or 20 are not multiples of 36. 36 will not divide evenly into 45. 45 is not a multiple. 72 divided by 36, that is 36 times 2, so that's a multiple. 90 is not a multiple of 36, so we can check our answer, and that's correct. Alright, what is the smallest degree of rotation that will map a regular 16agon onto itself? So 16agon means it has 16 sides. So we take the total number of degrees in a circle, 360, divide it by the number of sides, which is 16, and that gives us 22.5. And last one, what is the smallest degree of rotation that will map a regular pentagon onto itself? So a pentagon has 5 sides, so we take the total number of degrees in a circle, 360 degrees, divide by the number of sides. Regular means they're all the same length, so we can do this. Number of sides are 5, and we get 72. And that is on your own practice for 1.07 Transformations 2.